Hey guys, in this video we're going to walk you through the GoPro Nautique integration. Making a GoPro connection to your phone and then to the boat can be tricky, so certain steps must be taken if you are not successful the first time. Here are the steps to take before connecting the GoPro to the LINC Panoray. First, download the GoPro app to your phone. Second, follow the GoPro app instructions for connecting a new GoPro. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Once the GoPro is connected via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, test it by making sure you can control the GoPro through your phone and stream video to your phone. This part is tricky because the GoPro has both types of wireless connections and both are used when you pair the camera to your phone. Once you establish the functional connection between the GoPro and your phone, this completes the initial GoPro setup. You should now have a GoPro name and a GoPro password to use when connecting to the LINC Panoray. Now that your GoPro is set up, you must disconnect your phone's Wi-Fi from the GoPro before attempting to connect to the LINC Panoray. In order to make your GoPro discoverable by the LINC Panoray, you're gonna first have to change the Wi-Fi settings in your GoPro. To do this, swipe down from the main menu, click Preferences, Connections, scroll down to the Wi-Fi band settings and change it from 5 GHz to 2.4. Here's how to add the GoPro menu to your LINC Panoray display. Click on your settings in the bottom left-hand corner, then Display Settings, then GoPro menu. A disclaimer will pop up, but now you should be able to see your GoPro settings and be able to control them from your LINC Panoray. On the LINC Panoray GoPro page, go to New GoPro Camera and scan for new GoPro cameras. After a few seconds, your GoPro should pop up. If for whatever reason it doesn't, try forgetting the device in the Bluetooth settings for your boat, camera, and phone, and go through the initial setup steps again. Once you've selected your GoPro on your LINC Panoray, you'll need to enter your GoPro's password. To find your password on your GoPro, swipe down, hit Preferences, Connections, Camera Info. Here you should be able to see your GoPro's password. After you've entered your password, it will take a moment to connect. Once connected, the GoPro menu options on your LINC Panoray should be activated. From here, you can start and stop recording, toggle between modes, or turn on the Nautique auto record feature. Nautique's auto record feature is perfect for surfing and wakeboarding because it automatically starts and stops recording at around 7 miles per hour. This ensures you capture all the action and breaks up the footage into sets, plus it saves you storage and battery life. While most Nautiques come standard with a tower mount, some come with this attachment, which is your Quick Connect transom mount. Connect your GoPro to the transom attachment with the standard mounting buckle. To attach to the transom, make sure to line up the crosshairs and push the transom mount in until it clicks. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure. From here, you can adjust the angle of your GoPro to make sure you capture all the action. When you're done surfing, squeeze the quick release mechanism to detach your GoPro. Be especially careful while you do this because the transom attachment does not float, and if it falls in the water, it will sink. We love this integration, and hopefully this video helps you use it to your full advantage. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Have fun surfing, and we'll see you in the next video.